you want a serious welder that can do it all, MIG, TIG, and stick welding, while giving you the ability to weld everything from sheet metal to half-inch thick steel, then you need to check out the MP250i Multi Process Welder from Eastwood. Let's take a look at the features and see it in action. First off, you need to know that this machine has a phenomenal duty cycle of 60% at the full 250 amps. In fact, it has a ridiculous 100% duty cycle at 190 amps. So you know this welder isn't going to hold you back when you're doing serious metal fab. It utilizes an IGBT inverter-based power supply and operates on 240 volts, or 120 with the supplied adapter cord. And that means it's not just a machine for MIG welding thick steel. You'll be able to weld everything from thin sheet metal all the way up to half-inch thick steel and stainless. This is a true DC TIG machine. With the flip of a switch, you can use the foot pedal and high frequency start to weld steel, stainless, and chromoly up to 3/8 inch thick. Connect the arc welder leads and you can stick weld steel and stainless up to half-inch thick. You can even weld aluminum up to 1/4 inch thick with the spool gun. This heavy duty machine holds either 8 or 12-inch wire spools and can feed wire as thick as 0.045, giving you the versatility you need in a quality welder. The wire speed is adjustable from 78 to 629 inches per minute, and the drive motor turns 2 metal gears to precisely feed the wire. All 3 torches are at least 12 foot long to allow you to really move around your project. The ground cable is even 14 feet long, and the power cable is 10 feet long, allowing you to move around your project without having to constantly move the machine. If you do need to move the machine, it rolls effortlessly on the wheels and casters, making it easy to store as well. We added 2 cable hooks to keep your machine nice and tidy when you are not using it. This machine will hold 2 bottles so you can quickly change between MIG and TIG, and it even comes with safety chains to secure both those bottles. It has 2T and 4T functions for MIG welding. 2T is a standard torch trigger operation. 4T is great for hard to reach areas because you don't need to hold the trigger while you weld. Click on it to start and then click it off to stop. The inverter technology allows you to connect the machine to a generator, and the stick welding feature is handy when you don't have access to a gas bottle. The machine is also great if you're looking to do some serious MIG welding, but also want the option to TIG weld, or even learn to TIG weld. There's not many machines on the market that can do everything that this welder can do, especially at the price offered by Eastwood. For a unit that can weld everything from thin sheet metal to thick half-inch steel and give you the option to MIG, TIG, or stick weld, then you need to check out the MP250i Multi Process Welder from Eastwood. For more information, you can follow the link that appears on the screen.